Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today, Boxycharm February. So excited. So I'm going to tell you guys what I got and the price, and then I'm going to try it on for you. So I got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and that is $24. The Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter, that's $32. The Touch and Soul No Problem Primer, face primer, which is $18. The Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, which is $22. And the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon, which is $25. So pretty excited about that. There's one thing that I can't use on camera, and I'm sure you guessed it, the cleanser. So it is basically a face wash, face cleanser, smooth and hydrate your skin and lift dirt, oil, impurities, and makeup. So I have only tried it once. I don't like using anything but my normal face wash because I have really sensitive skin, and I also have like rosacea and like acne skin and like pores and things like that. I just know what works for me, and I normally don't like to change around my face wash. I've actually used the same face wash for 10 years. I know that's a long time, but it got recommended me by a dermatologist to get rid of my acne and things like that. So unless I'm having little hormonal changes, you guys know what I'm talking about, or anything like that, then that's when I normally get outbreaks of like pimples and things like that, and I have oily skin. But anyway, so I know what works for me, and I don't like to change around my face wash, obviously, because I've used the same one for so long that it feels weird to use something else. But I got into my Boxycharm, so I felt like I had to use it. I used it today. It seems fine. I don't really know much about it, and I don't know like if it actually works or anything like that. It doesn't say it's supposed to help with like acne or anything like that, so I'm not sure how long I'll actually use it. But for cleaning my face felt clean after using it, but I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to use it, because I like my actual facial cleanser because it actually helps with acne. So give or take, it's kind of a backup for now because it did not irritate my sensitive skin, so that's nice. If I do run out of my face wash for some reason and I'm like, oh no, I don't have anything else to use, then I'd probably use that, kind of a last resort thing. Or maybe if I'm traveling so that I don't lose my face wash, I may take that. I don't know. I wish I would have got something else kind of, because I don't like changing around my skin routine. But anyway, so there's that. I will continue to use it for a couple more days or maybe a week and see if, you know, maybe it does help my skin or do anything different. I'll definitely let you guys know in the description box. By the time I get this video up, I should have been using it for like a week or so. So I'll definitely let you know how that's working out for me, but let's just move on to the rest of that because I feel like that was a really long rant. So now I'm going to go in with my next product, which is primer. This is actually something that I was really excited to get. It's the No Problem Primer, smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. So this is from Touch and Soul. So basically I was reading up on it, and it is supposed to keep your makeup on, of course, like most primers are supposed to do. It's supposed to blur your pores and wrinkles and give a soft velvety feel. It has green tea and collagen in it to help hold your makeup on for many hours of flawlessness. We'll be testing that out today to see how long it actually keeps my makeup on, if it actually blurs my pores, which I love pore blurring primers. So I was really excited to hear that I was going to get this because I love blurring my pores before I put, like I'm using a pore blurring primer before I put on my makeup so that it doesn't enhance them. So we're just going to let that soak into the skin for a minute and see if I look blurred. I'm going to look right away though, just to see if I notice any difference in the first place. So just now pushing this into the skin, I am noticing that it's starting to blur my pores, but I do still see some. It is like velvety soft and a little bit tacky, not too much, but I'm just gonna let it soak in for a little bit longer before I put my foundation on, just so that I can get the full effect. So as I'm sitting here, it seems to be blurring them more and more. So I think I've waited long enough. It seems like it's a velvety texture, so it almost feels like it's like still there, but I feel like that's what it says it's gonna do, so I think it's probably ready for me to put foundation on. So I went ahead and did concealer and set my face, and I actually think it did a pretty good job of blurring my pores. My only issue is I feel like it blurred them more on my cheeks than my forehead, and I'm not really sure why. Just like looking in the mirror, that's what I'm noticing. So next step is highlighter. I got this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter in the shade Glow Up, which I was actually kind of worried about. The packaging, gorgeous, but the highlighter, yikes, that kind of seems dark for my skin tone, so I'm a little scared. It's like a goldy, peachy, bronzy kind of highlighter, which I feel like would probably be really good on medium and dark skin tones, but I'm very super fair, so I'm a little worried that this highlighter is going to be too dark on me, but we'll just see. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. It doesn't seem to be giving me really a dark cast just from looking straight, and it seems like really glowy and highlighty. Pretty. I feel like you could definitely build it up, but I think it looks stunning. That actually surprised me with the color that it is, that it actually worked on my skin tone, but it looks really pretty, so love that. Gonna have to definitely keep trying her out. Next, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I did not curl my lashes. I'm just going straight in and seeing what happens. So my lashes are stick straight, so I do feel like it did add volume. So yeah, I definitely think it adds volume. This was just one layer, so I feel like if you built it up, it'd probably do even more. So we're going to put a second coat on and see if she gets clumpy or if it just adds even more oomph to the look. And last product is the Trestique. Trestique. Not really sure how to say that brand, but I think the packaging is so adorable. Like, that's not the actual crayon, like that's just how the packaging looks. I think it's so adorable. Love that. It's actually magnetic. Love that. So actually at the bottom there's a primer for your lips that you're supposed to put on first. And then after that, you go in with the crayon lipstick, which I don't really like the shape. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it's like flat, like it's not like circular. So I feel like maybe it'd be easier to like draw the line or like line your lips first before you apply it. I've never actually used one with like a lipstick or anything like that with this shape, so I can't be like, oh, I hate it right out the gate, but just knowing what I normally prefer, that's not my favorite. This shade does look stunning though, so I'm going to put the primer on the lips first and then the lip crayon, and we'll just see what she looks like. But yeah, so far I feel like everything seems pretty nice. I'm definitely gonna have to keep trying everything out, but so far, first impression wise, the cleansing oil, the mascara, the primer, the highlighter, and the lip all seem pretty good. I'll definitely let you know in the description box how I'm still feeling about everything. And yeah, so this was really fun to film. I hope you guys enjoy my Boxycharm videos. If you do, definitely give this video a like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are @GlamGirlGray. See you next time.